A frog in the Amazon literally sounds like a buzzing bee to trick its enemies. Instead of hopping away or blending in with leaves, this little amphibian confuses predators by mimicking the exact noise that makes most animals think twice before attacking. Scientists stumbled on this wild discovery while tracking frog calls deep in the rainforest. They heard buzzing, but instead of finding a hive, they found a tiny frog, pulsing its throat and producing a sound almost identical to a bee's warning buzz. The camouflage doesn't stop at sound. This frog even sports yellow and black markings, giving it the ultimate disguise. Predators get both the sight and sound of something dangerous, and they back off, leaving the clever frog unharmed. Nature's mashup of frog and bee is blowing biologists' minds. Who knew survival could be about what you look and sound like, all at once?